Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever left your Mac idle for a while, only to come back and find it restarted or logged out on its own? Even after tweaking battery, energy, and screensaver settings, the problem still happens. Well, you are not alone. And I've got the fix for you. So here's the scenario. You step away from your Mac for an hour or two. When you return, instead of your screen waking up, your Mac has restarted, logged you out, or even closed your apps. Super annoying, right? Here's why the real issue lies somewhere else in your macOS privacy settings. Let us fix it. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Click on the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Step 2. Scroll down and select Privacy Security. Step 3. Scroll all the way down and click Advanced at the bottom. Step 4. You'll see an option that says Log Out Automatically after inactivity. If it is turned on, this could be what is causing your Mac to log out or restart after being idle. Now, you have two options here. Either turn this setting off completely, or, if you prefer to keep it enabled for security reasons, just increase the time limit. Maybe set it to 3 or 4 hours. And that's it. Simple, right? That small setting is usually the hidden reason why your Mac seems to restart or log out by itself when idle. If this solved your issue, do give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech tips. Got any other Windows or Mac issues bugging you? Drop them in the comments. I might cover them in the next video. See you in the next one. Until then, happy computing.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.